welcome back to a new vlog. And in this vlog we are going to Sarnath, alright? So Sarnath is basically 10 kilometers from Varanasi. So we plan to visit here as it is the place of Buddhas. So you are gonna see many Buddhist things. So stay tuned for the video. Yeah, bye. So guys, some temples close at 11:30, so we are running like hell. So we need to see the temples before 11:30, and it's 11:25 now. So yeah. Temple is done. Now let's take the chapel and go to the other temples, and at the other places basically at this. So this bell over here is 2 tons, which is 2000 kgs. And every evening, every morning, they take the rope and tie it, and they make the sound. But this is a freaking 2 ton, and they have written some carvings on it. There are some carvings on it and some text. Something related to Buddha and Buddhism. This Japanese temple again. It's in a very different shape, but still it's kind of good from inside, but kind of bored, dude. Yesterday we visited around 4 to 5 Japanese temples, 3 Tibetan temples, and 2 Buddhist Chinese temples. So kind of bored to see the same thing. So guys, now comes the main highlight of the place, which is Sarnath. This is the main highlight. This is the Ashoka Chakra and its entrance, and this is Ashoka Stupa. So here there is Ashoka Chakra and Ashoka this one, and there's Buddha over there. So we currently don't know what is written there. I guess it's this: may peace prevail in the world through the wisdom of the Buddhas. It's written in Hindi, English and Japanese. The author is a Japanese, of course. And yeah, so this is basically the view from up. Freak a drone shot, guys. this is what we visited mainly, and there were some factories and all. I didn't show you because it was fully of it was a cloth factory. I know many people don't have interest in it, and the camera was not allowed to. And so this is it for this vlog, and we are going back to Varanasi right now. And you're gonna see in the next Varanasi vlog that we will visit the Ganga Aarti again on land. And so basically you will see we are going back to Varanasi right now, and you will see the Varanasi vlog part 2 in a couple of weeks, and you're gonna enjoy it. And thanks for watching this vlog. I'll meet you in some other video. Bye.